Hello friends, subscribe Technology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to backup and restore your EC2 instance in your AWS account. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to log in on your AWS management console and go to the services tab over there and click on EC2 dashboard. After go to the EC2 dashboard, you have to click on instances. So as you can see, I'm already running one instances over there. So I'm going to show you guys the two methods by which you can backup and restore your instances. So the first method is you have to right click on your instances which is running on your AWS account, and after that click on create image. Now you can put any name over there. So I'm going to put here technology backup. Same thing I will put here backup, and after that click on create image. Now click on close. Now go to on this AMI, means Amazon machine image, and you can see your backup are pending. So it will take some time to backup your image. So after backup done, it will show you available on the status. Okay, so now go to instances and terminate your instances. Okay. After that, go to launch instance, and after that go to the my AMI, and you will get your technology backup image over there. So click on select and click on configure instances. I'll choose my default VPC, add storage, then next. I'll choose my existing VPC and click on launch instances. So now go to your EC2. So here's my backup image which I have restored from AMI. Okay. The next method is, so whenever you will create one instances on your AWS account, it will give you one volume under Elastic Block Storage. So you have to click on volume. So you will get one volumes over there. So right click on this volume and click on this create snapshot. After that you can put any name over there like technology snap, and after that you have to click on create. Now click on close and go to your snapshot. You can see one technology snapshot is pending over there. So it will take some time to create the snapshot. So after your snapshot created successfully, you have to right click on your snapshot. Whenever you need to restore, you can create volume, or either you can create an image. So I will directly create an image over there, and after that I will put here name like technology snap. Okay, description I will put same thing, and after that click on this create button. So now go to your AMI and you can see one technology snap is created over there. So you can restore your instances same way with this snap. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.